Hello guys, welcome to Get You channel. In this video, we're going to see about, before saying like this, I want to ask something to you that did you see this video? Origami is the future of satellites. In that video, I explained about origami style spreading solar panels and how it's work, and I also said I'm going to make a project in that. So this video is all about project. If you didn't watch that video, please check out the video by clicking here, or I'm giving the link in the description below. So you may check it out there. Now, let's start the video. Okay guys, in this video we're going to plan how to do the project. The making of the project will come in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. So in this video we're going to plan it. For this process we need two things. First one is a pen and the second one is a note. And this origami style is not only for solar panels, also for other purposes in space exploration. For example, like NASA Starship project, they use this origami style to spread the sun shield to block unwanted lights to get a clear view of planets and other stuff like that. But in our project, we're going to use this origami style for spreading the solar panel. So I named this project as OSSP, the origami style spreading solar panels in satellites. Okay, now we need a controller to control the function that is happening in our project. For that, predictably I'm using Arduino Uno. Why I'm using Arduino Uno? Because first of all, I have more experience in it, and it has Atmega 328P microcontroller, and it has a good speed, and it is very easy to work, and many advantages like that. So I'm using Arduino Uno as my microcontroller. For the communication purpose, I'm going to use Bluetooth, but in upcoming versions like Ooyy version 2, version 3, for that I'm going to use radio signals. Now you may ask me that, hey buddy, Bluetooth also radio signals. Yeah, that's true, but the range is very less, and for the space travel and space communication is a very bad choice. So in upcoming version I'm going to use a long range radio signals. Okay, that's why I separated the Bluetooth and radio signal, but they both are same. They communicate with radio signals, but the range differs a lot. So that's why I said like that. For the spreading of solar panels, I'm going to use servo motors. Not an ordinary servo motor, it has metal gear instead of plastic gears. So it has a high torque. For this process, it needs a high torque to spread the solar panels, and it also wants to shrink the solar panels according to the places, according to the function which we give. Okay guys, these are the main things I'm going to use in my project, but I also use other things like sensors, buses, LEDs and stuff like that, and I will say it in later videos, so stay tuned for that. Now I will say what I'm going to do exactly. Okay guys, the situation in Earth and situation in space is differs, right? So I have to make this project which can be work in space perfectly, and it is suitable for the situation. So there are many things to launch a satellite, because we have to learn orbital mechanics, power system, there are many things like that. But the first version of my project is not totally suitable for space, even in Earth, because it is a very basic project, looks simple and has a very basic mechanism. Why I'm making in the basic? Because I have to test the origami style spreading solar panels by making a simple project, that is version 1. I will promise you I will make this project even more better and better, which can be perfectly suitable and usable in space. So that's my aim, that you will see in upcoming versions. Mathematics also important for this space project, so I have to put more math for get a perfect result. Okay, now let's see the first version. Okay, there are many types of origami which can be used in a space exploration. For my project, I'm using the circle one. Yeah, it will spread the solar panels in the circle path. Okay guys, now I will explain the function going on in this project. But I'm not including the sensors, buses, LED, just including the main things, the Bluetooth, Arduino and the servo motors. So I am using my mobile phone as a ground station to control everything in my project. For that, I made an app in MIT App Inventor. It's a very awesome website for making apps. So I'm giving the link in the description below. The ground station, my mobile phone will transmit the signals which I give, and this signals is received by the Bluetooth and these readings will go to the Arduino. So according to the signals, the Arduino will control the servos. Simply input, process and output. The controlling of input, process and output is Arduino. And I also add some automatic control in the system. For that, the commands which is coming from the ground station is not needed. And I will explain the automatic control system which I am using in my project in later videos, so stay tuned for that. And I also explain the code and circuit for this project in later videos. That's it for today, and I think I will upload many videos based on this project that will be informative and educational. I'm Sunundan, you're watching KTU channel. Science is not tough, but it is tricky. Thanks for watching.